हेलो व्यूवर्स, वेलकम अगेन टू दिस वीडियो। आज है 21 फेब और आज आईसीएसई क्लास 10th 2025 का लिटरेचर का क्वेश्चन पेपर 1 o'clock पे फिनिश हुआ है। तो चलिए आज हम इसी क्वेश्चन पेपर को यहाँ पे डिस्कस करते हैं। ये है लिटरेचर का क्वेश्चन पेपर। तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट फ्रंट पेज है। इन फ्रंट पेज गिवन सम इंस्ट्रक्शंस। नाउ नेक्स्ट पेज section A is here. So now we have to discuss section A. Section A, question number 1. Question number 1, MCQs type question. And here 16 questions are there. So each question for 1 marks. So now question number 1. Choose the correct answer to the questions from the given option. Do not copy the questions. Write only the correct answers. So question number 1. What does Antony describe as the bleeding piece of earth? So there is the 4 option: Caesar lifeless body covered in blood. So D is the correct answer. So now question number 2. So question number 2, when Brutus says ambition's depth is paid, he means that. So there are 4 options. So first option is Caesar's greed for power and possession had resulted in his death. So now question number 3rd. After Antony's speech following Caesar's assassination, the angry mob kills. So there are 4 options. Option B is correct. Cinna the poet. Now next question number 4. When Antony says he must be taught and trained and bid go forth, a barren, spirited fellow, he referred to. 4 option is there, so D is the correct. Lapidus. Lapidus is the correct word. Now next question number 5. Who were the members of the second triumvirate formed to rule over Rome after Caesar's assassination? So third one is the correct. Mark Antony, Octavius, Caesars and Lapidus. This is the correct answer. So now sixth one. Which of the following words best describe Cassius' mood when he says, "Come, Antony, and young Octavius, come. Revenge yourself alone on Cassius." So there are 4 words. So D is the correct. Frustrated. Frustrated is the correct word for this answer. So now question number 7. In the poem Haunted Houses, what does the speaker see at his fireside that the strangers cannot? So C is the correct answer. The speaker sees both the present and the past. Now next question number 8. So now question number 8. In the poem The Globe and the Lion, who does Count Delorge sigh for? So there is 4 option again. So D is the correct. The beauteous lively dam. So D is the correct answer. So now next one is the ninth one. Select the option that shows the correct relationship between statement 1 and 2 from Maya Angelou's poem When Great Trees Fall. Statement 1. When great trees fall, the world is left permanently unstable. Statement 2. In the poem, the natural world is depicted as reacting with fear and uncertainty when great trees fall. So 1 is the correct one. 1 is false, but 2 is true. So now question number 10. The poem A Considerable Speck expresses frost. So D is the correct. Respect for intelligent life. So now next question number 11. Which of the given option contains the figure of speech that appears in the following line from the poem The Power of Music? And in the sky, the feathers fly, turn turtle while they are winging. So correct one is A. You are 1 month on in the middle of May. So now next question, question number 12. In the short story with the photographers, the narrator asks the photographer, "Is it me?" Because he is he is unable to recognize his own face. Now question number 13. In the short story The Elevator, which of the following does Martin's father not do when Martins expresses his fears of the elevator? So correct answer is B. He encouraged Martin to use the stairs. So now next question, question number 14. Choose the option that list of sequence the event from Ray Bradbury's short story. So there are four options. One night as he was nearing home, he was stopped by the police car. Next, since his answer were considered odd and acceptable, he was forced to enter the car and taken away. Third, Leonard Med loved to walk through the empty street at night. A metallic voice from the car asked him a series of questions. So this is sequence start from the third one. So third started only from C. So C 3142 is the correct answer. Now, where was Azoa born? So B is the correct answer, Ghana. Next, last question. Why did M. Hamel have to leave the school after 40 years of service? So, correct answer is A. He was not allowed to teach French any longer. So, this is the section A.